Hi guys! Are you one of those people who always wanted to start a sourdough starter, but were worried it would fail or maybe take too much time? Guess what? You're in for a treat today. I will walk you through step by step on how to make it without it failing on you and without it taking too much time of your day. Matter of fact, it will only take you 5 minutes each day. And later in the video, I will also show you how to properly store the sourdough starter in the refrigerator, and I will show you what to feed and when to feed. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Use a digital scale and set it 2 grams. Now measure 50 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of whole wheat flour, and 100 grams of warm water in a bigger glass or plastic container and mix it well. Use a rubber band or paper to mark the dough. That way you can see on the next day how much it has expanded, or not. Cover with a lid and let stand on counter overnight. Do not put this in the refrigerator over the next 8 days. By lifting the lid, you can already see that there are some bubbles on the top and some bubbles here on the side. This is great. But it does not always happen on the first day, so if it does not happen for you, don't worry. Take a fresh bowl again and measure 100 grams of warm water. Take 2 heaping spoons of the sourdough we just made and mix it into the water. Now again, measure 50 grams of whole wheat flour, and 50 grams of all-purpose flour and mix everything well. We will do all of this every day until day 8. Put the sticker on again and close the lid. Let it stand on the counter. Now fill the leftover dough in a bigger container, and I found this great plastic container at Dollar Tree. You can use this dough for pancakes, waffles, pizza, or you can just leave it alone and put it next to the other container on a counter, and you'll see what happens with it. See here how much it has expanded already? Awesome! Again, if yours does not look like this, just don't worry. Not all the bacteria in the air is the same. Just keep doing what you have been doing before. It will work out. Since we are doing the same measurements each day, I will speed up the videos a bit. Again, take a clean glass bowl. Measure 100 grams of warm water, take 2 heaping tablespoons of the sourdough starter and mix it. Then Measure 50 grams of whole wheat flour and 50 grams of all-purpose flour and mix it well. Mark it with the sticker, put the lid on, and put on the counter again. Put leftover starter in the container with the starter from the previous day. You get the drill, I'm sure. Again, use 100 grams of warm water. You can see now the bubbles get bigger and the starter gets more active. That is a great sign. Keep doing the same thing every day. Same measurements, same way for the next 4 days. So again, 2 heaping tablespoons of sourdough starter into the water and mix it. Add 50 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of whole wheat flour and mix it again. Close the lid and let stand again on a warm place. As you can see, I have been using this discarded sourdough for my pancakes and waffles. Scoop the rest of the leftover dough in here again. Let's see if the sourdough is ready. Beautiful! Congrats! You now have a ready-to-go sourdough starter. If you're ready to bake a sourdough bread, click the link above to the right and follow my video on how to bake a sourdough bread. And I use that exact starter for that, by the way. But if you're not ready, then store the sourdough in the refrigerator for about 1 week. If you are not planning on using it for a while, just take it out and feed it once a week. See, you can see the starter is hungry now. You can literally see it. Also, when you are ready to bake a bread, take the sourdough out of the fridge and feed it 8 hours before using it. Usually I do that the day before I bake a bread. Put the container on your scale and pour in 50 grams of warm water and 50 grams of flour and stir it good. It does not make a difference if you use just one kind of flour or 2 kinds. All you need to make sure of is that it is equal amount water versus flour. For example, if I use 50 grams of warm water, I need to use 50 grams of flour. And if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section and I will help. I hope this video helped you to shed some light on how to start a sourdough starter. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. That would be awesome. I will see you next time.